Welcome to the channel. This is Fiat 500 2013 model. Most Fiat car has a similar problem. If your clutch pedal going down, you can't enter gears. Could be this is the problem. Basically, you can come to the passenger side front wheel, go underneath. You can see all around wet here. This unit you can see it's leaking. This is the most common problem, leaking from here, this unit, because this master cylinder and save cylinder connect from here. Basically, if we want to change, dealer have only the one option. You have to change master cylinder, save cylinder and whole line. It's huge cost, around like a 400 something. I'm not sure exactly, but it's close to 400 something. I got the quotation, I can't remember now, but it's 400 plus VAT and plus labor. You are looking around like a maybe 500-600 pounds. Then I found the cheapest solution. You can see this one. This is the solution. Very easy and cost maybe £7 something for the disconnector, and after that labor. If you have a like this leak, just come this side and remove this unit. I already this one inside the bracket like this, I already removed from bracket. Then after that, what I'm going to do, basically you need to cut from here, little bit here. I'm going to cut now. You can use whatever suitable for there. Right, it's cut from one side, then the same thing other side. Little bit leave it space, don't go into the bend in here. Right, now it's okay. Then after that you can use file and make it straight. Both side make it straight. Then after that we need to take this unit, just press in. I'm going to do it now. Just press in. Right, see, after that it won't come out. And the same thing other side, just press in. Right, now it's holding nicely. After that we can connect here to the same line like this. At the moment I'm going to leave it like that, and I'm going to bleed the system. I'll show you how we're going to bleed the system. This is another slave cylinder from the another Fiat 500. We had to unscrew this screw, then after that air come out through from here. You can use Allen 14 and turn anti-clockwise. You don't want any spanner or ratchet, just turn anti-clockwise. You can see after that this nipple open, then fluid come out from there. That's why I'm going to do. This is the clutch reservoir. You can see nearly empty there. Other thing, when you work with the brake fluid, don't go to touch your paint. It will damage your paint. In here it say fill brake fluid. They didn't say the which number. If you're not sure, you have to come back to the brake reservoir, and it say DOT4. In here say DOT4. In the this side it said fill the brake fluid. We have to use our common sense. We have to fill .4. Then I'm going to use .4 brake fluid and top up this reservoir. Right, it's fill up. Then after that I'm going underneath and unscrew that nipple because it's straight underneath the battery. I can't film it, but I can work when I go underneath. Need to go with the feeling. It's in. Now I'm going to turn anti-clockwise. Right, it's loose and leave it as it is until fluid come out from that hole. Make sure remove this cap. It's this cap, sit on here, remove cap and unscrew this nipple. I'm going to leave it 5-10 minutes. After that it's gradually oil come out from here. You can see fluid come out from the nipple, and the top of the nipple you can see my socket. Yeah, slightly wet. I had to leave it another 3-4 minutes. Fluid will come out from there. Want to quick the process, because of that I fix my pressure bleeder here. If you have a time, you don't want to pressure bleeder, you can just open this cap, open nipple underneath there, then leave it, it will come out. But however, I'm going to use my pressure bleeder because I have a little bit work today. You can see here thingy coming out. You can see. Right, now see, it's all air bubble came out. Now I'm going to release the pressure of my bleeder, and after that I'm going to close the nipple. Right, it's done. Right, this one done. Now next step, I'm going to remove this one. Don't going to spill brake fluid to the body. Careful when you work with the brake fluid. Press the clutch pedal and have a look. How is the feeling? Lovely. Right, when I press, have a look, any leaking from the our joint. I'm going to active the brake pedal. Sorry, I'm going to active the clutch pedal. Any leak? No leak. Perfect. Right, that's a good sign. Then nearly there. Right, after that I spill brake fluid everywhere. You can see brake fluid. If you need to clean the brake fluid, you don't want any chemical, only just water. See, when you put the water, it's getting dissolved. See, right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave it this one underneath and clean gearbox area where my drop brake fluid. Make it sure, just spray water, that's it. It will clean and it will dry. And at the same time I'm going to clean this side also. Right. Okay, then after that I'm going to tuck in here and there. I'm going to put the wire tight here. Then after that I'm going to take it backward and forward. This is the problem causing. Could be somewhere you can see wet mark here, somewhere it's leaking. However, anymore no leak. Because of this clutch system I'm using that connector. If it's your brake system, don't go to use that connector. You are in bad position if you use him for the brake. Only you are allowed to use for the clutch system, because if clutch system failure, you are not going to be any bother. Your gears not working. But if brake fail, I don't know. You tell me. Okay, then just 10 pound, under 10 pound, done the job. Otherwise, you ending with 600-700 pound. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.